push out of your comfort zone, but listen to yourself. Okay. And just try things. And look, Copy Chief, we create a safe place to try things, and we coach each other. And so with that, I'm excited to talk about something new we're trying, what we're calling uh, the mini workshop. Check it out, the monthly mini workshop. Here's a way that we can formalize how we work together and give each other value like this. We're going to do these mini workshops. So we'll just give you a challenge, right? So this month with Laura's training, you watch Laura's training, like I want to get right in an email, and then you take inspiration from Laura. Maybe you watch Chris's training and you look at how he frames out some of his emails, and look at the workshop we did after Chris's training, and look how other people wrote their emails. Like, get inspiration if you need guidance, and then we just give you something to write about. So in this case, it's this Bluetooth garden speaker. I think Laura found this, like, super cool. What a funny thing to write about, right? And you've got some product details right here about it. And is this all you need to write an email about this? What would your take be? What would your subject line be about this? What kind of angle would you take about it? What story would you tell about it, right? And then we're going to just have fun critiquing each other, helping each other, and we're going to award. And so, by the way, use the research. Like, okay, what other research would you do to be able to talk about this product beyond what you get on this page? This is what I mean about getting to know yourself as a copywriter. Your unfair advantage is your own process, your own curiosity, your own research rabbit holes that you would go down to learn your unique angle on how you would sell this simple little product, right? And so that's the beauty of the doing, and that's why I love these mini workshops. All right, so have fun with that, and hopefully that'll give you impetus, purpose for watching more of the trainings. Writers write, it's what we do, just fun to practice, help each other out, critique each other. There's not a formal process for this. We're not going to have judges, and it's, look, it's just, we're all doing it together and having fun with it. But we are going to award trophy points. So we're also starting a new system where we're awarding trophy points to you as a member. And it's like, think of it as like Chief Cash or something, right? Points, more trophy points you get, the more rewards you'll get. So it'll be things like, Nobody Writes Alone t-shirts, maybe, special, meetups, and maybe we'll do a group call together or something. We'll just come up with cool, fun stuff. We'll send, send you a book randomly or whatever. It's just about rewarding you for being engaged, for putting in the effort to become a better copywriter and to help other people do the same thing, because that's everything we're about here at Copy Chief. Sound cool? I think that's going to be a lot of fun.